Hello everyone, if you're watching this video, that means you started your Invisalign treatment with us and we are so excited for you, so congratulations. I'm going to go over a few tips and tricks and just how to really take care of your aligners throughout your treatment. So we recommend that you wear your trays 20 to 22 hours out of the day. So if they're not in your mouth, your teeth are not moving. So we recommend taking your aligners out when you eat, brush your teeth, and anything other than water. We recommend taking your aligners out. We do have a case for you that you will get in this little box. So this is your case. We recommend just getting in the habit whenever you take your aligners out of your mouth, putting them in your case. Some people will go dumpster diving at restaurants and their dogs will eat them and all sorts of fun stuff. So try to get in the habit of putting them in your case when you take them out of your mouth. And whenever you brush your teeth in the morning and at night, we always recommend brushing through your aligners as well. I personally use my toothbrush and toothpaste and just brush the inside, the outside really good, and always try to do it under cold water, not under super hot so it doesn't melt the plastic or deform the tray or anything like that. So that's just a good way of keeping your trays clean, is brushing them really good. If you lose an attachment on your tooth, put your aligners in. If your aligners still fit really good around your teeth, you are good to keep going. If the liner's hanging, it's not really fitting very well, then call us and we'll get you in to get that attachment back on your teeth. We always recommend keeping your previous tray. For example, if you are on tray number 5 and you lose it on the first day, we always recommend going back to that previous tray, number 4, so we can always order an aligner for you on the website. If you jump ahead too quick, your future trays may not fit very well. So that's why we recommend just call us if that happens. We can just walk you through it, but always keep your previous tray for that reason. Whenever you come in for an appointment, please always bring your current tray with you. That way we can check your tracking and progress and make sure everything's moving the way that it's supposed to. Okay, next we have some pictures that we are going to show you. We have what's called good tracking and what's called bad tracking. So good tracking means the aligner fits great over your attachments, nothing's hanging anywhere. Sometimes you will get a little gap in between the bottom of your tooth and the aligner. So to help with that, we have these little green things, they're called Chewies. So what you're gonna do with these is you're gonna bite on it really hard and then work your way around your whole mouth. And that really engages those trays around those attachments. I'm actually doing Invisalign right now, and these are very helpful. I find that I use these a lot. When I put a new tray in, maybe sometimes it feels like it doesn't go in all the way. I use this really good the first couple days. And then everything tends to settle after that. So these Chewies are great. I actually keep this right in my case. That way, if I need it, I have it. If not, it's in there. So those are awesome. We also recommend after you eat to just clean up your teeth as best as you can before you put those trays back in. That way you don't trap any food in there, get any cavities or anything like that. I know for me personally, I will chew a piece of gum to break up the food in my molars really good. Before I put those trays back in. So that's very important. If you are out at a restaurant, maybe swish with water, grab a toothpick, just stuff like that till you can get home and brush your teeth. And here is a model just to show you guys, when you take your aligners out, try not to pull from the front. Sometimes that will pop your attachments off, that could crack your tray. We recommend just taking your finger, your little fingernail, all the way to that back molar and pulling it down and then working your way around your whole mouth. That's just the easiest way to get it out. Another way you could also do it is going from the inside of your mouth and pulling down that way and pulling it around. So we just recommend not pulling from the front, anything like that. Just start from the back and work your way forward. So that's an easy way of getting your aligners out. Well, everyone, congratulations for starting your Invisalign. We are so excited for you. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Thank you so much.